so much nearby. There's so beautiful villages all around. Beautiful pastimes. Vaishnav was very beautifully. They explain this. Them to Braj. One Loknath Das Goswami. Second Bhugarva Goswami. Loknath Das Goswami, Bhugarva Goswami. When they came to Braj for the first time, they took darshan of many places and they were absorbed in deep moods. Always they were chanting the names of Krishna, just as like the Goswamis, the 6 Goswamis, Ashtaka is written, Hey Radhe Vraj Devi ka chalalte, Nanda suno kutha, Shri Govardhan kalpa pada padale, Kanlendi vane kutha. The Shad Goswami Ashtakam this is mentioned. In the same way, Srila Loknath Goswami, Bhugarva Goswami, by the instruction of Mahaprabhu, all around in Braj they are doing bhajan, going to different places, and they were absorbed in deep moods. Seeing their beauty, there was a beautiful deities they had called Radha Vinodi Lal. On the neck, he was used to like his neck was bent wherever he used to go was serving Thakurji. But now we went to Bhajan Kutir of Loknath Das Goswami. We saw this place. This is very beautiful, important place. Loknath Das Goswami, how he was doing bhajan. At that time, there are 2 types of bhajan in scriptures. It is said one is Goshtanandi, second is Bhajananandi. All the Goswamis, they were Bhajananandi. They were absorbed in their own bhajan. In this Goshtanandi, they are doing their bhajan and they are making others do bhajan, especially Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. He preached this Goshtanandi before all the Goswamis. All they were absorbed in their own bhajan. One was writing scriptures, one was absorbed in writing scriptures and chanting holy names and being absorbed in the eightfold pastimes of Ashtakali Leelas. They just had like even one disciple and even no disciples at all. So in the scriptures it is said many disciples, don't make many disciples. In scriptures it is said, and don't read a lot of scriptures. If you make a lot of disciples, then you will be absorbed in nourishing the disciples. Your day will be passed because it's Kali Yoga. It's very hard to make a disciple in Kali Yoga. True or not? Gurudev used to say in the West Bengal, there's a proverb. Why give initiation? If you didn't want to nourish and maintain me properly, then why did you give me initiation? Some they say like this. This is Kali Yoga. Disciples say like this. In Odia Bodhayan Maharaj said that why did you make me disciple if you cannot feed me? Anyways, what I'm saying is just try to understand. Gurudev is saying that Arunik Kadha, how beautifully they serve the Guru. But now, how possible in Kali Yuga? How way to find disciple? That's why my Gurudev used to say, you can find millions of gurus, but disciple very one. And if you find many disciples, then guru, both are rare to find. Very rare for a good disciple and a good guru to meet together. Because first, Sadguru is very difficult to find. And disciple is even more difficult to find. Don't be sad, in scriptures it is said. So Goswamis, they did not make a lot of disciples. Loknath Das Goswami, he did bhajan. At that time Narottam Das Thakur, for mantra diksha, he prayed so much. Loknath Goswami said, I don't need any disciples, I won't make any. And Narottam Das Thakur said, if I will take initiation, then I will only take from whom? Only from Loknath Das Goswami. Loknath Das Goswami came in Vrindavan and he was doing bhajan. And Narottam Das Thakur, he prayed a lot that please give me initiation, Diksha mantra. Loknath Das Goswami said, I don't want to give. At that time, Loknath Das Goswami, when he came to, we did bhajan right here in this place every day. He used to go to the forest and he used to do pass stool, urine, like he used to go for toilet in the forest. These days we have proper attached bathrooms and toilets. But at that time, at the age of Goswamis, it wasn't there. So Loknath Das Goswami every day he used to go to the forest for these things. And Narottam Das Thakur, he used to go to that place and he used to hide himself. And when Loknath Das Goswami, when he was finished, then he used to clean that place. Loknath Das Goswami was thinking every day, who is cleaning this? Who is cleaning this place so nicely? Why is this so clean? So Loknath Das Goswami, one day after after doing bathroom, then he saw a little child coming and cleaning that place. So Loknath Das Goswami went behind the child and grabbed his hand. Who are you? He said, I am your servant. At that time, after seeing such dedication in his service, Loknath Das Goswami gave mantra initiation to him. This is teaching for us. It's very hard to serve Guru actually. It's not easy to serve Guru actually. But in Kali Yuga, what to do? Anyways, Loknath Das Goswami anyhow stayed in Vrindavan and he did bhajan. Once upon a time he was chanting holy names, and Narottam Das Thakur also was sitting and chanting holy names. In the meantime, a Brajvasi came and said that, please give me some water. It was very, very hot at that time. So when Brajvasi said, Narottam Das Thakur, he put down his bead bag and he started to give water. After some time the Brajvasi went away. Then Loknath Das Goswami said, Narottam, you are not qualified to stay with me. You are son of a king. Go in your house. Go donate a lot of things. Go live in your house. Because these days people, they say Daridra Narayan, like serve the poor Narayan. They think that the Narayan is in poor people. The materialistic ideology is this. From Prime Minister to President, everyone they say that God exists in poor people. God is poor. It's like, but God can never be poor. This word is not connecting. So Daridra Narayan. Daridra means poor and Narayan. So Narayan can never be poor. Anyways, so Loknath Das Goswami said, go in your house and serve your family, serve your other people. Bhajan is not for you. Narottam Das Thakur, he started to cry. Narottam Das Kirtan, it's written, after so many lifetimes I entered in Braj. Narottam Das Thakur, in this Bangla Kirtan he is writing, after many, many lifetimes, by the mercy of Guru Pad Padma has given me shelter in his lotus feet, but today, because of my karmas, I am being away from it. I am being thrown away from his shelter. So that's why, weeping, he is writing this Kirtan. After so much mercy, he Mother Maya Devi is so powerful. It is again throwing me away from my Guru's feet and putting me in Maya. Maya has grabbed me by a rope. Humbly he is saying this. For this regard, so Narottam Das Thakur, he served Loknath Das Goswami, but here a thing is coming. Why? Loknath Das Goswami, why did he chastise Narottam Das Thakur like this? The glories of holy name is coming. All the Goswamis, each Goswami expressed the glories so much, the glories of the holy name. In scriptures it is mentioned, Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Shuddha Nitya Mukta Abhanatat Nama Namini. There is no difference between the holy name and the name itself. You are chanting the holy names, meaning you are serving to Sri Hari directly. Is there anyone bigger than God, you tell me? Those who are chanting holy names is manifestation of God himself. This is the teaching coming from Loknath Das Goswami. When you chant holy names, glories of holy names is like this. Just like this, when you chant holy names, everything will come. So, for this regard, is anyone bigger than God?
लोग कहेंगे भाई इसमें दोष
People
क्या
will
है?
say, what is the
इसके पूरा
problem?
पानी
If you
पिला
give
दिया, हम
some
तो
water
पानी
to
पिला
someone,
देते
we feed what we give water to people, right?
तो इसमें दोष क्या
What
है?
is the
दोष
problem in
इसमें
this?
जो
Many
है,
people they question this.
प्रश्न उठाते हैं लेकिन नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर
That
की दोष क्या था?
what is was the
उन्होंने
fault of
थोड़ा
Narottam
पानी
Das
पिला दिया
Thakur if he just
और
gave
उससे
little bit water to a thirsty
लोकनाथ दास
person?
गोस्वामी,
And Loknath Das Goswami became angry.
है, किंतु इसमें दिखा रहे हैं नाम
But
की
here the
महिमा।
glories of holy names are being
इसलिए कहते हैं,
emphasized.
आप हरिनाम करना
For this
और
regard, when you chant holy
हरि
names
चिंतन करना
and remember
है,
to Shri Hari,
और हरि सेवा करना दोनों ही एक तात्पर्य पर है।
they are same. If you are serving to Shri Hari directly and you're chanting holy names, they both are same level things.
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। ये उत्तम कोटि के महाभागवत की
The Uttam
विचार-
Koti Mahabhagavata, their vision and the perspective of normal people is different. For this regard,
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी
Loknath Das Goswami,
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी अपने विग्रह के कैसे सेवा आदि करते
he
थे।
served his deities so
अभी
beautifully.
उनके जो विग्रह जो था
His
क्या
deity's
बताया?
name is
विनोदी लाल ठाकुर जो है अभी
Radha Vinodi Lal
जयपुर
Thakur.
चले गए।
Now Vinodi Lal is in Jaipur.
ठाकुर जी के किंतु यहाँ पर नरोत्तम दास
But
के
Narottam Das,
गोस्वामी कैसे
Loknath Das
विनोदी लाल की
Goswami,
कैसे
how
सेवा आदि करते
he is serving Vinodi
जिसके
Lal
प्रेम
very
के
beautifully,
वशीभूत होकर के
completely
स्वयं
controlled
ठाकुर
by
जी
his prem.
उनसे
Thakurji
सेवा
himself
मांगते थे।
is asking him things.
गुरुदेव यहाँ पर वर्णन करते
Gurudev
थे
used to explain
कि
right at this place that Loknath Das Goswami is serving
रात 12
Thakurji
बजे
around
ठाकुर
12
जी के सेवा सहन कराया
at night.
और
He
स्वयं
made Thakurji
थोड़ा
sleep
विश्राम
and then
करने
he went
लगे।
for rest little
आंखें
bit
बंद करने
after he
लगे।
closed his eyes.
शुद्ध वैष्णव जो होते हैं ना वो
So the
सोते नहीं हैं।
Vaishnavas, they
हम
are
तो
actually not
वैष्णव
sleeping.
सो रहे
We are
हैं।
thinking,
वैष्णव
we are
खा
saying
रहे हैं।
Vaishnavas are eating, Vaishnavas are
ये
sleeping,
गलत
but
शब्द
this is
है।
wrong
वैष्णव
word
क्या
to
है?
use.
भोजन
So
क्या है?
Vaishnavas
सेवा करें।
eating means they're
सेवा
serving,
करते हैं।
they're accepting service, doing
किंतु
service.
हम लोग उसकी क्या
But
कहते हैं सो रहे हैं।
We say he's sleeping. No, he's not sleeping. Vaishnavas don't sleep. But Vaishnavas, they are absorbed in the pastimes
ये
actually.
सब विचार ही दिखाया गया।
This is
नहीं
the
तो क्या की
true.
तो बुद्धि हो जाएगी,
Otherwise, you will develop material perception towards Vaishnavas. For this regard,
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी
Loknath Das
अपने ठाकुर जी के
Goswami,
साथ देकर के
after
थोड़ा
making
जो है,
Thakurji sleep
आँख
and then
झपकी लिया
he
और
went
नाम
for rest.
करते करते,
And he started to chant holy names and he just closed his eyes.
ठाकुर जी आकर के
Meantime,
बोले,
Thakurji came and said, Vinodi Lal came and said, Loknath, Loknath, Loknath.
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी आँख खोले,
Loknath Goswami
देखा
opened his eyes and saw
ठाकुर
Thakurji
जी
sitting
ठाकुर
there.
जी क्या बात है?
And
बोले,
Thakurji,
देखो,
what
आज
happened? He
बहुत
asked.
गर्मी
He
लग
said,
रही
I
है।
was very hot
मुझे
today.
थोड़ा हवा करो।
Please put some fan on me.
देखो लोकनाथ दास
Then Loknath Das Goswami, he grabbed a big leaf from forest and he started to fan Thakurji.
देखो कुछ समय
Okay,
के बाद
after some time,
लोकनाथ दास को भी देखा,
Loknath Das Goswami saw Thakurji is taking rest. Then
फिर
Loknath Das Goswami,
डुबकी लगाए। फिर
then
5
he
मिनट
closed
के
his
बाद
eyes.
ठाकुर जी
After
खड़े
5
हुए।
minutes, Thakurji stand up again and he did like this. Loknath, Loknath. He rubbed on the neck. Right here, if someone is sleeping, you rub. And they will wake up simultaneously. So Thakurji did like this. Loknath, Loknath. Loknath opened his eyes and said, what happened, Thakurji? He said, look,
आज रात को जो है
At night
सब
today,
जो है मेरा बंसी चोरी कर लिया
gopis,
और
they stole my
बंसी चोरी
flute.
करके मुझे
And then
नचाया।
they made me dance. Radha Nache, Krishna Nache. They made me dance so much. And I danced so much. And now my
दर्द हो रहा है।
feet, legs are paining. Can you please massage my legs a little bit? Don't massage my throat or choke me. Just you massage my feet.
ठाकुर जी के कितने सुंदर
Loknath Goswami very beautifully. He was serving in so beautiful mood. Shri Rupa Manjari Karachita Padma. In this mood,
ठाकुर जी के
just like this,
चरण
he
सेवा-
massaged the feet of Thakurji.
चरण सेवा के बाद देखा तो
After
ठाकुर जी सो रहे।
some time,
फिर
he saw
लोकनाथ
Thakurji
दास
slept.
गोस्वामी
Then Loknath Goswami again he closed his eyes.
और इतने सब फिर
In the meantime,
जाके-
Thakurji wake up
ठाकुर जी आकर
and he
बोले,
came right again. He rubbed his cheek and said, Loknath,
अच्छा,
Loknath.
एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार जगाए, आप-
Okay, 3 times he
आप
woke
क्या
up.
व्यक्ति हो जाएंगे?
You will become angry or not if someone wake you 3 times. You will become angry or not. But Loknath Goswami not like this. He said,
ठाकुर जी, क्या बात हुई?
what happened, Thakurji? He said,
ठाकुर जी बोले,
Thakurji said, Loknath,
हाँ, देखो, मुझे
Lok,
बहुत भूख
I am
लगी है।
very hungry.
मुझे कुछ खिलाओ।
Please feed me
देखो,
something.
रात
Around
करते-करते 1-2 बज गया।
2 a.m. at night,
हैं,
Loknath Das Goswami very beautifully he
पूरी बनाया,
cooked puris
टमाटो दे करके
and he put
और क्या
some
बनाया?
tomato dish
आलू की सब्जी
and made aloo.
हैं? हैं,
आलू करी।
कितने सुंदर और किसी
Aloo
से मिल
vegetable,
जाए,
very beautiful it
पोस्तो
is.
जानते हो कि नहीं जानते?
You know posto?
हैं?
Padma Maharaj saying it's Paran time, don't speak a lot.
पोस्तो
English में कहता
सब लोग कर दिया, हम सबको दे दिया, हमारे पास-
I did Paran to all my devotees and I gave my Paran to all the devotees. Everyone took Anadi Prabhu brought Jagannath Prasad. Like everyone is given. Maybe you did not get Maharaj. Your Paran is pending, not ours.
अच्छा सुनो,
Okay, anyways, listen.
लोकनाथ दास गोस्वामी
Loknath Das Goswami
अच्छी
said,
तरह से टमाटो दे करके
very beautifully with tomatoes,
और पोस्ते इतना
potato and
चटपटा
posto
खाना है।
he mixed and cooked very beautiful. After 2 days you will get tomato. Don't dream for tomato now.
और पोस्ता आप बनाओ ना, देखो
And if you cook this tastes so delicious. You will love this vegetable. So Thakurji, hot and fresh, fluffy puris he made and he fed to Thakurji. And Thakurji very nicely he ate all of that. Very after Thakurji he washed his hands and Thakurji said, Loknath, can I ask you something? He said, what?
4 बजे
Every day you wake me up at 4 a.m. See, it's 3 a.m. now. So
एक बात कर सुनो,
listen.
आपकी मुझे आज जगाना,
Don't wake me up. At least wake me up at 9 a.m. I want to sleep. Because how will I sleep then? Thakur see so much love and affection between Loknath Das Goswami and Vinod Lal ji. Just like this, he used to serve the deities so much.
जयपुर में जाओ,
In Jaipur, if you go, you can take darshan of Thakur ji. For this regard, Loknath Das Goswami stayed here and did a lot of bhajan. The place we are here today, this place name is Khadirwan. Sridhar Maharaj, every year he speaks so much katha. Just I speak for 2 minutes and you are saying you are angry. You are very tired. Just I speak 2 minutes and you are very tired. Khadirwan, this is Khadirwan.
खैर के पेड़ था वो।
Beautiful trees were all around here.
कत्था जो है वो लगाते हैं, पान खाए
In a beetle leaf they put something and that kind of tree was here. It's offered to Thakurji in Barsana. Thakurji offered beetle leaves.
पान भोग लेना,
Pan.
थोड़ी सी लेना चाहिए।
Little bit you can take this prasad, but Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they don't eat pan. But that is Thakurji's prasad,
वो लेना चाहिए।
that you can take. That day I distributed in Barsana, you took or not? Though all the devotees came with me, I gave to them.
सुंदर जो है पान भोग लगता है।
Beautiful pan bhog it is.
कत्था जो है,
So Katha tree was here.
इसलिए ये
It's an ingredient that is mixed with betel leaf. So for this regard, this place is so beautiful. And during the manifest pastime of Krishna, there were a lot of dates trees all around here.
खेजूर क्या है? डेट से जो होता है।
Dates trees all around here.
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बड़े हुआ तक क्या हुआ?
In Hindi, there's a proverb
पेड़ के लगे खजूर,
like the dates trees are best,
फल लगे
like fruits are nice, leaves are nice. Anyway, this is a proverb, Hindi proverb. So the fruit of dates is the tree of dates is so huge and it has a lot of thorns.
बहुत सुंदर
And beautiful fruits of dates are present in that tree. But easily you cannot break those dates.
पक्षी भी लिखा जा नहीं सकता।
Even the birds cannot enter to break it, and the shadow of it is also far away actually.
शायद ये कोई काम का नहीं।
So that shadow is useless.
हैं? पंछी के छाया नहीं, ये पंछी के
So the fruits are very far away in this tree, and the shadow is very far. So
यहाँ पर खजूर के पेड़ वो
the dates trees were very beautiful all around it. That's why this place is called
खदीर वन भी कहा।
Khadirwan.
और भी खदीर वन इससे की नाम भी कहा जाए।
And another name is during the manifest pastime of Krishna, beautiful pastime happened here.
है। यहाँ पर निकट में एक स्थान है बकथरा
Many
है।
places,
क्या बोला?
there is a place called Bakthara.
कंस के द्वारा प्रेरित
So Bakthar, by
होकर
inspired by
एक
Kansa,
असुर आया
a
था।
demon came.
उसके नाम
His
था
name was
बकासुर।
Bakasur.
है। वो बकासुर बगुला के रूप धारण
That Bakasur
करके,
manifested
है,
form
ये
of
बाग
a-
खड़े रहे। है। बक क्या करता है? है? बक एक पैर में खड़े रहते हैं, किंतु उसके आंख कहाँ पर रहता है? मछली पर रहता है। है?
So that's a special kind of bird. It's always focusing on the fish and grabbing the fish by its beak. So its name was Bakasur, that demon.
बोले कृष्ण के जो है मैं मार डालूंगा।
I will kill Krishna. He came to kill Krishna and then he came here and he stood here on his one leg. And Sakas said, Subhashridham said,
देखो हम लोग तो
Look,
पक्षी देखा,
we saw many birds, but such a huge bird we've never seen.
कृष्ण समझ गए।
Krishna understood
है, कृष्ण स्वयं भगवान है।
that because he is God,
और मुक्तता
he knows everything yet he acts like he does not know anything. So Krishna himself thought, oh, you are here.
तो मैं आज मैं
Today I will
उद्धार कर देता।
completely deliver you completely. So Bakasur, so heron bird,
ऐसे करके जब रखे और कृष्ण ने
crane,
क्या
crane.
की? है, उनके तरफ आ गए।
So it's crane. So Krishna came towards, crane came towards the Krishna
क्या करने लगे, उस
and
आक्रमण करने लगे।
tried to attack
इसलिए
Krishna.
कहा गया
For
क्या?
this regard, it's called
खायरो
Khairo, Khairo, Khairo. Khairo means I will eat you, eat you, eat you. So the village name is Khairo. So Bakasur, when he started to run towards Krishna, when he opened his beak and he started to run towards Krishna, then the Sakhas of Krishna said, Khairo, Khairo, Khairo. Oh, he ate Krishna, he ate, like Sakhas were saying, but Krishna is God. You all saw the picture of killing of Bakasur is in the temple, you can see here. Krishna, there was a huge beak of Bakasur. He put one feet on his beak, on the lower beak, and with the upper beak he pulled it apart and he killed the demon like this. For this regard, this place is called Khairo Gaon also, village Khairo. There, the Sangham Stali, the beautiful meeting, uniting pastime place of Srimati Radhika and Krishna. Gurudev he came and donated something for construction here around. The people of village, they went to Gurudev and Gurudev donated some money for the construction around here, and this new temple, the Singhania, the Singhanias, they donated this money for temple where Kirtan I did. Very beautiful place it is. They constructed that place at that time. I also gave some money for the people of village. They asked me some donation. A lot of time ago I gave some money also then. And this place is so special. Nearby, we came from Ajnok. Who went to Ajnok? You must go there. At least once you must go there and take darshan there. Ajnok is very nice. It is the place of Indulekha Sakhi, the birthplace of Indulekha Sakhi. It's written in Indulekha Sakhi. Indulekha Sakhi's village is that one, Ajnok. Sridhar Maharaj is showing this black kajal is coming when you rub the shila there. You put it in your head, don't put it in your eyes. Don't follow, don't imitate gopis. You do pranams to it, don't put in your eyes. People, they put it in their eyes. Hari, God is putting on gopis, you're not gopi. So, Katha is so beautiful. When Krishna played the flute, and after hearing the sound of flute of Krishna, after hearing the sound of flute, all the gopis started to run towards Krishna, and all the gopis, when they arrived, Krishna saw all the gopis were dressed up perfectly. But see, Krishna, after hearing the sound of flute of Krishna, how they come? They came up very nicely. It's not like they are ugly and they are coming. No, Krishna will say, just I killed one putana, many putanas are coming now. So, because putana was ugly, right? So in Ras Leela, the gopis, they dress up very nicely. They do proper makeup, dress up nicely, joke, marriage, everything. They're not going in ugly ways like putana. So, gopis, all of them, they did nice shringar, everything good. And Krishna saw one gopi. So they were wearing beautiful dress, everything, but and jewelry is perfect. But in one eye, the kajal is missing and other eye has it. So Krishna asked, everything is perfect, but one of your eyes there is no kajal, black eyeliner. So Braj Kirtan Gopi is saying, I was coming, I was putting it. Why did you play the flute simultaneously? I was being ready for coming, but in the meantime, just you played the flute, and I couldn't control myself. I abandoned everything and I ran towards you. Clap loudly. If you clap, then you will become gopi. You are doing Brajmandal Parikrama, 100% guarantee. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, under the guidance of Mahaprabhu, we are here. So you all will become what? Gopis. 100% guarantee. In the manifest pastime of Krishna, you all will take birth in the womb of Gopi. So give a big round of applause. If you don't clap, then what will you do? Otherwise, people will clap you, meaning they will slap you. Material world will slap you. So anyways, so Krishna's heart completely melted. So Krishna, he asked someone to bring kajal, and then Krishna, he put kajal on the eyes of that gopi. Remembering this pastime, Krishna's great grandson, Vajranam, he manifested that village, decorated, constructed that village, and he named that village Ajnok. very beautiful places. You must come in these holy places or not. In Braj, any place you go. So stimulations of Leelas will automatically come. Nearby beautiful Bijori villages here. Bijori. When Krishna, when he sat on the chariot of Akrur,
वृंदावन से मथुरा की ओर चले
when he went to Mathura, gopis, they came here and they took darshan of Krishna and they were so much absorbed. When each gopi, they started to faint one by one, just as like when a thunderbolt is in the sky, when it falls down in the same way, like lightning from the sky, slowly. One by one the gopis start to fall down, faint. Remembering this pastime, Krishna, their grandson Vajranam, named this village Vijayari. Very beautiful kathas are all around here. Other Vaishnavas will explain further.